How to get different shields in Monopoly Go. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to get different shields in Monopoly Go. First things first, let's take a look at your shields. Head up to the top of the screen and tap on the shield icon. Here you can choose from different shield skins. So to get different shields in Monopoly Go, the first way is by completing the current in-game event. Right now, it's the Ecological Escapade event. By landing on those special spaces and collecting paddles, you'll earn rewards. In the past, some of these rewards have been shields, so keep an eye on these events and keep participating to rack up those shields. The second way to unlock new shields is by completing your daily tasks and grabbing your weekly rewards. Head down to the bottom left corner and tap the Wins button. See these quick wins? Completing these daily tasks will get you awesome rewards, and sometimes those rewards include new shield skins. The weekly reward for completing these tasks can also be shields. So be sure to knock out those daily tasks and claim your weekly prize. And this is how to get different shields in Monopoly Go. If you have any questions about Monopoly Go, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.